In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Keep note with another Google account efficiently and effectively. Whether you're collaborating with a team member, sharing ideas with a friend, or simply making sure everyone is on the same page, sharing notes on Google Keep can make your life easier and more organized. So let's dive in and explore this process step by step. First, we'll start by accessing your Google Apps. This is where all your Google services are housed, including Google Keep. You'll find the Google Apps icon, typically represented by a small grid or dots, usually located at the top right corner of your Google homepage. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear, displaying various Google services. Next, in the drop-down menu that appears, you'll need to locate Google Keep. It might be nestled among other tools, so take a moment to scroll through and find it. If you have many apps, you can also use the search bar to type Keep, and it should pop up right away. Once you've located Google Keep, go ahead and click on it. This will open the Google Keep homepage where you can see all your existing notes. It's a vibrant, sticky note-like interface that is easy to navigate. Here you'll be able to view, create, and organize your notes as needed. Now that you're on Google Keep, proceed by selecting the note you wish to share. Simply click on the note and it will open up in an editable format. If you have many notes, you can use the search feature by typing keywords to quickly find the note you're looking to share. With your desired note open, direct your attention to the collaborator icon. This is typically represented by a small plus sign inside a person icon located at the bottom or top of the note. Clicking on this will open a window where you can manage collaborators for this particular note. In the collaborator window, you'll be prompted to enter the Google email address of the person you want to share your note with. Start typing the email, and if it's someone you email frequently, their address might autofill. This is also the time to ensure there are no typos in the email address to avoid sending your note to the wrong person. Finally, once you've entered the correct email, save your changes. The person you've added as a collaborator will receive an email notification giving them immediate access to the note. They can now view and edit the note, making real-time collaboration straightforward and effective. And there you have it, a seamless way to share your Google Keep notes